What are you looking for?
Just my copy.
Cheat
I'm
sheet.
fine. Yeah.
Oh. Healthy substitutes. Take one.
So let's face it, we are a celebratory people. We love good food, we love good fun.
But sometimes these traditions and habits are actually doing more harm than good. So why don't we give them some insight as to ways we can continue to celebrate, but maybe do it in a healthier way.
If you have something that you want to celebrate, maybe that job promotion or maybe that new baby that's been born, you can consider maybe swapping out celebrating with food with celebrating through an activity that's fun and that everyone can participate in.
Yeah, an example of that, we have our youngest who absolutely loves sweets. I mean, these cupcakes here would not be here if she were here. So what we started to do was substitute another one of her favorite activities, softball, when she has something to celebrate. So now when she gets all A's, we say, why don't we go to the park and practice throwing the softball or practice batting? Another big one is holiday meals. What can we do to help make those meals healthier?
So instead of some of the heavy creams, instead of some of the high-fat items, just swap them out for low-fat or no-fat, fat-free items. It's important to make sure that you're still reading the labels because in some fat-free products, they actually try to enhance the flavor by adding extra sugar. And another way is really to swap out salt. And so now I've introduced seasonings like coriander or cumin or lemon and garlic, which are really healthy substitutions that allow you to still have that flavor punch without some of the detriment of the salt.
Yeah, and I can say that I've appreciated it. Your cooking is amazing.
Well, thank you.
And I don't miss the salt a bit.
You get brownie points for that one.
Yeah, so whether substituting celebrations or substituting ingredients in recipes, there are ways that you can make healthier choices for you and your family, and it will benefit everyone involved.
So you can give me a second closing?
I didn't know if that was officially your closing.
Forgot though.
We got options.
We got options. I did forget that one.
Yeah, we got